Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin for better security, lower fees, or just more control over your crypto, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Uphold. If you don't, take a moment to create them, it's quick and easy. Once you're logged into your Robinhood app or website, head over to your portfolio and select Dogecoin. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer assets, so click on that. Remember, Robinhood might have some restrictions or fees for crypto transfers, so double-check their policies for 2025 updates. Next, you'll need to get your Uphold wallet address. Open the Uphold app or website, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Robinhood, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds they might have. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. This includes the amount, the address, and any network fees. Once you're good to go, confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the Dogecoin to appear in your Uphold wallet, depending on network congestion in 2025. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Robinhood to Uphold. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your private keys safe. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.